Hi, my name's Link and today we're going to be talking about cherry blossoms. Prunus, or better known as cherry blossoms, are an iconic ornamental tree originating in Japan, China and Korea, but are very popular here in the UK. This beautiful display of pink and white flowers is what makes them so popular, creating this magical cloud-like effect. Some varieties also offer vibrant foliage in the later months. These trees are perfect for borders and patios, and while they're relatively low maintenance, it's really important to keep your young cherry trees well watered. You can also put a layer of mulch in the spring to keep the roots nice and moist and protected. They don't require heavy pruning, however shaping is needed. You can do this at the end of summer once the flowering has stopped to prevent diseases. Just remove any dead, damaged or crossing branches to keep it nice and shapely. That's all from us today. If you'd like to learn more about how to look after your cherry blossom tree, check out the full article on our Knowledge Hub or explore all of our helpful tips and tricks. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel and comment down below what you'd like to see next.